Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune to the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. Alright, so yeah, let's go over today. Let's go over what happened today, what I'm looking for, end of day. Yeah, let's go over pretty much everything. Yo, good to see everyone. So yeah, we're going to pull up pretty much all these trades, QQ, all these, trades that I'm looking at. Possibly end of day as well. So yeah, 1 second here. I'm going to tell the team members we're on live, and I will pull up the other chat too. So just give me 1 second here. All right, cool. Just pull up this other chat here. Now it's time to tell the team members we're live. TikTok live now at. Hold on 1 second here. That's everyone. Let's go. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys. Really appreciate it. All tuning back in. Alright, so yeah, let's go over today. Let's see. So for AMZN, I do want to go over this first. I do want to go to a lower time frame, break everything down. Obviously, yes, we had a beautiful day. Can't complain. And yes, we'll go over that too as well. So hold on, let's see. Let's fix this. Let's see how that looks. Alright, yeah, that should be great. That should be good. Alright. So yeah, as of right now, yo, Sky Guy, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Thanks for pulling up to the live stream. Really appreciate it. So yeah, obviously Amazon had a little move up. What I will be looking at and expecting for maybe this week, unless if we, continue up, we do have this. And what I can see is, yes, we do have this empty space. So clear push up, no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to take to the downside. Will we get this today? Maybe not. Maybe tomorrow. We'll just have to see how things play out. Yo, Tina, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. So yeah, it looks decent. I would love to see if we can break outside at this, 231 area, going into this empty space. So yes, this is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm seeing. So if we are inside the box, if we're inside the Potter boxes, will I be taking a trade? Absolutely not. I'm just going to wait and see if we can get some decent entries, which honestly looks really good. So that looks decent. As of right now, what am I going to do? Absolutely nothing. I'm just going to wait and see if we can get a nice little play off of this. So that looks really good. What are you trading on? So this is on TradingView. So TradingView is how I go over all of my analysis before I get into any entries. Obviously, you can use whatever broker. Some people use Robinhood. Some people use Webull. I use Webull. TradeStation's good too as well. Really just up to you. But yeah, this is what we did today. We look for the same play. Empty space. Clear push down. No consolidation. We get that break above. We go up and we tapped our targets. Same thing, AVGO as well. So yeah, easy, simple trades that we end up getting in. So what, you guys want to see? You are my brother because I am put. So yeah, we're the put bros, man. So that's exactly why I love my puts. Obviously, today we had a lot of calls for sure. But yeah, I do love my puts, especially once we can get some entries. And, I do like them because they do move pretty fast. They do like to hit my targets pretty fast. And yeah, that's pretty much my standpoint there. So yeah. Alright, so let's keep on going. Let's see. You want to look at sound? Okay, sound. You can take a look at UNH. So Tesla's still waiting on that. SPX, alright, yeah, we can look there as well. So I get it. This looks very confusing right now. What in the world is all this? We can go ahead and break this down. So we actually did this on a 30-minute. So this is what I'm looking at now. And honestly, I still like this a lot. So yes, we do have this clear gap down, no consolidation, so clear as day. Big respect to put guys. Yeah, I'm gonna pin that comment. Yeah, welcome to the live stream. So thanks for being here, man. So yeah, we did have this clear move down, no consolidation. this is what I saw this morning. We ended up going straight up into this empty space. It was a beautiful, easy day. You can see the before there, the after. So yeah, we hit my first and that final. What I'm looking at next, and same exact thing. Looks really good. So I will wait for this. This is something that, if this, honestly, I think it may happen tomorrow. We'll have to see though. That's if we can gap down. But yes, we still have this nice gap that could potentially be filled. So that's my next, decent move that I'm liking. We do have a nice POTTERBOX, and as you can see, yes, we do have a nice gap that I would like to go into. So I'm looking for a break outside of this 577 to go into this empty space down to this 576. So that looks really good. So yeah, we have the POTTERBOX, we have the area of consolidation. This morning I saw both sides, so I'm looking for the same exact play each day. Obviously, yeah, if we would have dropped down, I would have loved those puts for sure. But we wanted to go up, told the team members, and I even told them today. Hold on, let's see, where are we at? Where are we at? Hold on. So this was today. Let's see. All right, so you can see this morning I called it out, right before market opens. AVGO, keep a watch on this one. QQQ, and that's exactly what we were looking for. We were looking at. SkyQ on the run. Okay, we'll look at that. I'm grateful for sharing all of this. Yeah, no worries, man. Just make sure, just do your own research before doing anything, of course. But yeah, welcome to the live stream. What is the win rate of that strategy? I mean, I will say it really just depends on the person. For me, at least, I do see, it does like to respect the box. I mean, I'll be honest, there will be times where I do have to stop out of trades where maybe one trade doesn't work, but this is why we wait for our entries. So, like, if I get tapped out on, a little trade, that's cool, because I can always find that re-entry. So let's just say if, this play didn't work out this morning. Let's just say if I would have gotten in and then, boom, we go up a little bit, my stop loss will be at the top of the box. Maybe I'll give it a little bit of breathing room. So if I stop out, it's going to be from something little to gain something bigger, if that makes sense. So these are the type of trades that I'm looking for. Like, hold on, let's see. So yeah, like trades like this is what I'm looking for. AEO, trades like Walmart, how we call it Walmart too as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so yeah, let's keep on going. So I mean, yeah, there'll be some times where I do have to get, tapped out of plays, but I'm trying to catch this full move. So that full move is what I'm looking for, what I'm looking at. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so let's keep on going. Tesla, I will say I still wanted this, or I still want this. As of right now, yeah, like I said, I could have taken some sells at seller's control, but I didn't do that today. Had a couple other plays. What I can see here, we do have this clear push up, no consolidation. This is this gap that I'm targeting to the downside. And as you can see, I created a nice top wall, bottom wall. Now, all that I'm waiting for is a nice 344 break into that empty space. I will say I did want this as a day trade though. So, the day trade looks decent. Obviously, I mean, hopefully we stay in this side of this box. That would be great. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing there. So I would love to see if we can get that nice break below. Let's see. So yeah, there's a couple of good trades that I'm looking for end of day. So we'll have to see. Yo, Paula, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. Hey guys, people shared the live. This is free. So yeah, I'm on live pretty much every single day. I'm here if my trades hit. I'm here if my trades take an L. So there's no shame. Obviously today, beautiful day. We had some decent entries. We end up getting in, told the team members what I wanted, and now waiting for those end of day swings. All right, so UNH, we'll go over sound too as well. Let's see. I think that we have something here. Hold on, let's see. 1 second. All right, so let's see. Would love some analysis on OCTO and Wyatt. So yeah, we'll go over that too as well. I did see that earlier this morning. But yeah, it was wild. Hold on, I don't know why there's an alert there. Can't even get rid of my alerts. I can't even add alerts today. So today I had to watch every stock with my eyes. So my alerts didn't want to go through. So for UNH, this is what I'm seeing here, which honestly looks good. So above this 320 area, what I can see is my bad. I'm laughing at the group chat. So if you know, you know. If you know, you know. Yo, Aaron, what's up, my guy? Good to see you, bro. So what? MEI? Alright, so yeah, we do have still this empty space here. If we can get this nice break above this 326 area, we do have empty space that is above us, which looks good. So this is exactly what I'm targeting. This is what I would want. Right now, we are just inside of this area of consolidation, so I do want to see if we can somehow get that break. So it doesn't look too bad. So we shall see. There's something else that's looking pretty good right now. So pretty excited if we can get it, but if you know, you know. All right, anyways, sound. Let's take a look here. So wait, hold on. I'm gonna OCTO. Let's go over this. Actually, wow. So yeah, hey guys, please support the Put Brothers. Yo, thanks so much for the support, bro. Really appreciate it. So what, you guys want to see SPY too as well? So SPY, yeah, those puts did end up printing too as well. So a guy posted his 300K loss on a short on OC. Oh my goodness. So he probably seen it go up like very high, and then he was probably like, oh yeah, let's just go ahead and get short. So yeah, we'll go over it though. We'll definitely go over it. So as of right now, let's see. So sound. All right. So yeah, this one right here, we did end up. Yo, Shnu, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Dude, yeah, that's crazy. He definitely had to shed a tear on that one for sure. But yeah, what I can see here is, yes, we did have this clear gap down, no consolidation. We broke above our wall. So the first time it didn't work out. Then we ended up getting back over our top wall into this empty space. We hit my first and my final TP. So this blue line is irrelevant right now. I do want to see if we can continue that 1553. A couple tears. Dude, yeah, I would have to get the Kleenex for that one, bro. But yeah, crazy. Yeah, that's wild. I got some ice right here. Oh yeah, they're looking good right now. All right, cool. We'll see how everything plays out. And yeah, today's been a great day. So hopefully it can be a little bit greater. If you know, you know. But this is what we did today. Empty space, Potter boxes. We ended up getting in. We got those entries. We told the team members what we were looking for earlier this morning. Ended up getting in. Those trades ended up working. Shout out to Stinger. Shout out to a couple of the members. But yeah, this is what we're looking for each trade. So same exact plays each and every day. Alright, so anyways, we'll keep on going. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. Join the free chat, the VIP chat. You can see what we do here. You can even talk to the members. Alright, so Octo. Let's take a look here. We'll take a look at what? Hold on. Yeah, okay, we'll take a look. Hold on. Well, I'll pull it up. I'll pull it up. Okay, okay. Let's see. And also, yo, Alex, what's up, bro? So, WMT, yep, got you. We'll go over it. Alright, I mean, I'll just be completely honest. Yeah, looking beautiful. We do have the empty space above us. Nice projection, especially if we can stay above. That looks beautiful. So, we'll have to see how that plays out. Looks really good. Alright, so AVGO did, dude, yeah, AVGO did great, bro. So it was, we had a couple stocks that did really good today. But yeah, we'll go over that too. Alright, so for Octo, OCTO, hopefully I'm saying it right. I think I am, but wow. So yeah, we had a crazy move out of nowhere. Let's see this 24-hour chart. Yeah, we went from what? 149 all the way up to this 82, 86 area. So yeah, that's some retirement money right there for sure. Obviously, what I can say is there is still, and yeah, it may sound crazy, so yeah, what I can see, top wall there, bottom wall here. Obviously, no, I didn't, this is my first time looking at this, so, no, I didn't get into this. So, yeah, as of right now, yes, we are, or at least I do see that, we do have a little bit more empty space above here. If we can get above this 86, 76 area. So that's just what I'm seeing. Hey, yeah, I had a crazy move today. Guys, brother. So yeah, just make sure, yeah, just do your own research before doing anything, of course. Yeah, if you do want to join the free chat, we have a free Discord. Honestly, you can just join the free chat if you do want to. See how we do things. So I'm okay. So no options on it. All right, cool. Yeah, so I didn't. Yeah, this is my first time looking at it. What kind of candles do I use? So I personally just use the default candlesticks, I guess you could say, and then I trade on the extended time frame. So I'm not on the regular time frame or the regular trading hours. I'm on the extended trading hours, and I also like to trade on a 24-hour candle time. So 24-hour chart. So yeah, this is what, just default candlesticks. So I just candles, not bars, not hollows. Okay, cool. Yeah, I mean, yeah, if it works for you, yeah, you don't have to change it at all. That's just what personally I use. This is how I'm able to, get, these types of trades. Hold on, like, so yeah, the befores, the afters. That's just what I use. Obviously, yeah, if you use something else and it works for you, yeah, keep it up, man. All right, so let's see. Okay, Walmart, I like this. So Path and NVDA. Okay, cool. Path, NVDA. Okay. Okay, hold on. So for Walmart, this is what I'm seeing, and honestly, this doesn't look bad. What I can see here is, yes, we do have this empty space here, which looks good. This is something that's, I wouldn't mind taking if we can get above our top level, which is, what is this? Nice POTTERBOX. Do you use the 24-hour chart for that haircut? I don't even know what that even means. You're a coach. I pretty much just trade live, and I just pretty much have my Discord. But I do one-on-one classes too as well. Everything's in the link in the bio though. But yeah, if you just want to join my free live streams in the morning, or yeah, you want to just join the free Discord, you definitely can. You don't have to, though. Yo, Miss Lady, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. Alright, so this is what I'm seeing here. This is what I like next. That doesn't look bad. We have, it looks like we are punching back through this wall, which could continue. But I'm also seeing that if we can get above that 102.59, we do have this empty space that is above us, which honestly looks really good. So we shall see how that plays out. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Trust me, if you're in the chat right now, if you're in the Discord, trust me, I see it too. I promise I'm witnessing myself. So yeah, Robin, if you're in here, I promise I'm looking too. Alright, so my bad, I'm chewing some ice right now. But anyways. So yeah, that's on WMT. Let's look at Roku. Let's take a look here. I don't know. Let's go to a 24-hour time frame, and then let's take a look. Actually, you know, let's actually look at a weekly chart. So I do like to start at the higher time frame, and then I do like to, you know, okay. My bad, I'm reading all the chats right now. She said, I'm up 80%, about to get that retirement money. That's funny. Alright, so, anyways, glad to see the members doing good. But anyways, yeah, let's keep going here. My bad, guys. I'm reading all the chats here. So, I will say that there is still a little bit of empty space, so a little pocket here that we could go into up to that 102.29. But I do like dang, where are we at? Let's see. So I do like this. Hold on. So there is another little pocket here that we could potentially go into. So screw this. We got another box here. So my bad, had to do a lot of scrolling here. So top wall, bottom wall. We break above our top wall here around this 103.63 area. We still have empty space above us. So yeah, clear gap down, no consolidation. This is what I would want to the upside. Which doesn't look too bad. So yes, as of right now, we get above that 124.65 area would be my final TP. So this is on the weekly chart. I get it, we're not close yet. Looks honestly really good. So yes, entry, exit, middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. So yeah, it doesn't look too bad. All right, so that is on. Dang, yeah, that's moving pretty nice, All right, so yeah, we'll keep going. We'll see. Further out, let's see. I mean, let's see. Yeah, there could be some more empty space here and then there. But yeah, just one step at a time, though. That's what I'm seeing. Let's see. For which one? All right, so Path, I think you all wanted to see this one. Oh, wait, hold on. Did something hit? Yeah. All right, so looks like for Path, I mean, yeah. Oh, for Roku. And yes, just make sure to do your own research before doing anything. Not telling anyone to get into any plays, any trades. So yes, you all have to do your own research before doing anything. But I would love to see if we can break outside of that 103.63 area to go into this empty space here. So that's personally what I'm looking at. For me, at least, I personally won't get into anything just because we're inside of consolidation. So if we're in consolidation, I don't tell my members anything. I'm not going to be like, oh, let's just get in. Oh, let's try a starter. No, I don't do that. So we do like to, you know, take plays that are very clear. Right now, clear play for sure. But you can see, yes, I had this charted out this morning. Empty space. This was before the market opened. Told the team members what I wanted. We end up getting in. We end up doing that. So you can see we're looking for those same exact plays. And if the plays work, cool. If the plays don't work, that's fine. And you can see in the games page what we do here, whether the plays work or if they don't. So yeah, you can pretty much see everything there. All right, so Walmart looks pretty fire. I do like that. Let's take a look here. So path, I will say. So yeah, as of right now, yeah, I'll be honest. Yeah, we are in the empty space here. Looks like today we wanted to finally get outside of this empty space here and go and touch or almost touch the target. So if we can, that 1178 or 1182, sorry, will be that first, and then that final, that 1222. But since I'm not in this one, will I get in? Absolutely not. I'm just gonna wait for that position there. Yo, entrepreneur, what's up, bro? Hope all's good. Yeah, having a great one here. OCTO, dude, yeah, we went over that one. Yeah, we can go over it again though, no worries. But yeah, I had a crazy move for sure. All right, so dang, Walmart's pushing here. Yo, Peyton, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. So let's see. One second. Okay. So, yeah, so OCTO, this went, crazy today. As you can see, yeah, we ended up going from like $1 up to this, $80 or whatever, $82. What I can see here now, this is something that, you know, will be more of a long shot for sure. So I think I did this on a weekly, I believe. Hold on one second. Honestly, I did this on a weekly, but that 24-hour time frame does pretty much line up. So maybe I would take that on 24-hour time frame. But yeah, what I can see is we do have more empty space above us. So what I'm looking at, clear gap down, no consolidation. This is what I would want to the upside. I get it. Yes, we had a crazy move, and no, I'm not in this one. But yeah, if we can close above that 86.76, I don't see anything stopping me to this upside here. So it looks exactly like the Qs, but just on the weekly chart. You can see today we had a Qs play. 30-minute chart. Clear gap down. Same thing with OCTO. Clear gap down there. As long as your POTTERBOX is right, so had to make sure our boxes are correct. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for that same move here. But right now, yeah, not ready. Maybe if we can hold above call spaces too in the week, that looks really good. All right, so that's there. All right, so that is on OCTO. Let's take a look. Where is Tesla at? One second here. Tesla, where are you at? All right, so Tesla's close, but not there yet. Not there yet. All right, so yes, we do have still empty space, and it's going to be exactly like our trades. Honestly, I'm waiting for the innovate swings. Would I potentially swing this? Potentially. We'll have to see, though. All right, so what do we have? So today's Monday. After close, we have a couple other ones. So RCL, hold on, CSY. Maybe I can try to hunt for another one of the AEOs. So I'll definitely try some lottos if we can end up getting it for sure. But you can see why I do like to try these. I'm basically looking for that same play each day. Before, the after. You can see And yeah, that was on AEO. You can see what we had here. What one of the members ended up doing just on that play. So that was what Thursday or so. But anyway, CSCY, let's see what we can do here. Let's go to this weekly time frame. All right, so it looks like okay, I do see this position here. We do have top ball, bottom ball here. I wish we were underneath our level, our wall. So, if we do end up going, I can see that. Personally, we could explode and go to that cost-based area, outside that cost-based area. All right, so that's there. Let's take a look. I want to look at some more other ones. ORCL. Cool, cool, cool. Then we have. Let's see how it performs. Okay, okay, okay. All right. So, okay, looks pretty much like the same thing. Obviously, if we go up, I can see that 247. So, ORCL does want to continue. That 247 is what I like. Honestly, I can see. So, hold on. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any trades, any of these positions. So, please do your own research before doing anything. We do have empty space that is below us, too. So, if we can get this break under this bottom wall, we do have this empty space. So yeah, I do want to see personally if we can get that. So, and no, I don't know what contracts look like, so I'd have to look at those as well. So ORCO doesn't look too bad. I do want to look at a couple other ones. What GMEs, RBR, hold on, GME too as well. So honestly, hold on, give me a second. Actually, GME doesn't look terrible here. Hold on. Hold on, where's my pen at? GME doesn't look bad, though. Hold on. GME. That actually doesn't look terrible. I can see, yes, if we do end up wanting to dump, though, we got all of this. That's what I can see there. So you got to be very careful on that. But I will say, we do have a nice top wall there. Beautiful bottom wall here. We get a nice... Dang, if we could get that clear break, I could potentially see a little bit of empty space. So, do want to see if we could at least get up to there. That looks really good. So, yeah, that doesn't look bad. So, yeah, right now, I wish we were outside that box. So, I'm pretty sure this is what? Right after... So, that's on... So that's tomorrow after close, though. So, that'll be something for tomorrow for sure. All right, so yeah, we'll keep on going there. 1 second, 1 second. So that's tomorrow after close. I will keep an eye on that one. Actually, doesn't look too terrible. And yes, give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. I will be getting some more water, things of that sort. Yeah, if you want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat, the VIP chat. Honestly, you don't have to join if you don't want to, but yes, link is in the bio for the Discord. Just give me 1 second. 1 second here. I'll be right back. Yo, what's up, everyone? I'm back. Yo, King Buck, what's up, bro? Thanks for the gift, bro. So yeah, I got some jackfruit right now. It's pretty good. Can I check out? Yeah, got you, man. In the video. All right, so yeah, we'll go over this too as well. One second. He said, "Don't listen." Yeah, that's so funny. My bad. I'm just reading all the chats. All right, so what I can see here. So yeah, this play already ended up happening here. So yeah, this is on a 1 hour, and we'll go over something that I'm also looking at potentially for here. As you can see, yes, we had, so same thing, and I even posted this inside of my Discord today. So I told the team members, I was like, the video calls if can hit 2, ended up having an empty space there, and we ended up going into that empty space. So that was in the live chart finds. So yeah, we ended up touching that, first and that final TP. What I can see now, maybe I want to do this on a higher time frame, I believe. Hold on, give me 1 second. Maybe a 4 hour. Give me a second here. Give me a second. So, you know, that pretty much is irrelevant right now. Well, this little move here. What I can see now. So there's 2 possible outcomes here. So same exact thing. What I'm looking for, POTTERBOX is in empty space. So one second. One second here. One second. All right, cool. So yeah, as of right now, my bad, I was in the chat here. So yeah, it looks really good. So there's 2 possible outcomes that I'm looking at here. So there's another little box there. First, I'm gonna make it like this. We can get this nice 171.64 break. I'm looking for this empty space here, which honestly looks good up to this 173.73. That is something that I could definitely wait for. Not a bad little move there. Entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. If I did do that, I would try to leave a runner because there's also this gap here. But I will say, yeah, we would need to first get outside of consolidation. So I'm not touching this at all until it can show me that it wants upside. Then I would need that 174.30 break to try that 178. So that's what I'm seeing. That's what I like. Obviously, yes, downside, could we potentially go in and fill this empty space? We could. For something else, so if we end up dropping even more, this is also what I like. Tesla, please. Yeah, no worries. We can look at Tesla too as well. All right, so 1 second. Let's see. So top wall there, bottom wall here. We get this nice break beneath us. Underneath, we can potentially go into this empty space here. So yeah, I get it. Yeah, we're at this 169. This is nowhere near entry level. This is nowhere near any type of entry. So pretty much both ways I am going to wait. But yeah, it doesn't look bad and if we can get that little entry there. So that is on NVDA. And so plays like that, and I get it. We, posted this in the channel, so, the members, this play could end up hitting, which it did. So yeah, we're pretty much looking for the same thing. So there will be times where, the entries is right there. Once we can get that, I'll definitely end up getting it. And there will also be times where we have to wait. So let's see. So today wasn't really a wait day. It was more of just getting in and then getting out. Tesla looking pretty close too. So actually that doesn't look terrible. Let's see. Yo, Chris Carter, what's up, bro? INVZ, just on with. Let me take a look there. INVZ, okay, we'll take a look there. If it'll load, that'd be great. And also we'll go over Tesla. So, all right, we'll go over Tesla right after this one. All right, so I don't even remember doing that, but that ended up, yeah, I don't even remember doing this. I'll be honest. But yeah, what I can see here, let's go to a higher time frame and then work our way down. Are the queues flushing? Everything's flushing? Okay. Cool. Oh, wow, I mean, I will say we do have a nice little move here. So yeah, what I can see, so same thing. Inside of my Discord, each trade is exactly the same. We don't change literally anything at all. So you can see entry, exit, middle of a move. We have exactly what we want, which is this empty space. So honestly, this is something that I do like. So I do want to see if we can get above this. Let's see. This 194 area to go into this empty space, which honestly looks really good. So that is on. That is that. Let's see, hold on. All right. Let's see. So INVZ actually looks really good. Let's look at, I'm gonna keep that up too. QQQ, I want to take a look here as well. And yeah, honestly, I'm not gonna get into any more day trades. I'm just gonna wait until the swings. Hold on. Let's see. Hold on. So, okay. Actually, this is pretty close though. From what I can see, this looks really good. And yeah, we'll go over Tesla right after this. So what I can see is we do have empty space below us, which honestly doesn't look bad. So yeah, what I can see here is we do have this, clear gap up. No consolidation. This is exactly what I would love to take to the downside, of course. So earlier this morning, we had these calls here. We ended up doing great. What I can see is if we can get this continuation, nice under 577.59, we could potentially go into this empty space here. So it doesn't look bad. It actually looks good. Right now we are inside the box though, but yeah, if we can get that break, it doesn't look bad. What's the name of this site? So yeah, this is TradingView. TradingView is how I go over all of my analysis. I will be honest, you know, I wish this was a little bit earlier in the day. Obviously, yes, you can see we had this upside movement, so I'm not really worried about the keys right now. You can see we had the before, the after, what I was looking for. But now, yeah, we end up tapping my TPs, we end up flushing. So if we can, you know, get this continuation, it honestly doesn't look terrible. Yeah, actually doesn't look too bad. So yeah, we'll see. Honestly, let's just say, like, for an example, and no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any of these trades, but let's say if we end up, you know, chopping until tomorrow morning or whatever, and let's say tomorrow morning we get under a wall, I definitely favoring this downside here, this little gap. So we'll have to see. Market just put the put bros. Dude, yeah, I know. So, you know, I love my puts, especially on Fridays. So Fridays, you know, they have some great sell-offs here and there. Not every Friday, but yeah, if we can, looks good. I'll definitely love to take some puts tomorrow. Same thing with Tesla. I like it. I like it a lot. What I can see is clearly this. He said maybe. Let's let's see. So, yeah, I feel the same way about it. We have a little bit empty space there. Hold on, where are the queues at? So, I get it. 1 hour chart. I do want to see if we can get under this 344 area to go into this empty space. So, I don't think we're going to get it today, right now. If we don't, I could care less about it. I am waiting for, a couple end of day entries. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's it. I do like GME. GME's tomorrow after close though. So we'll have to see how that plays out too. So yeah, all these plays are going to be exactly like, I sat, waited for the entries. We end up getting in. You could see, I told the members, what? Couple minutes, over 10 minutes before market opens, keep an eye on this. Told them about the QQQ calls, what I was waiting for. Even called out HOD, so I called this one out too. I will be honest, I was trying to get into this, but my order didn't get filled. So a few of the members ended up getting to that. A few trades. Shout out to McCain. Shout out to a couple other members that end up getting into the plays. So this is what I'm looking for. The same exact entries each day. This is what I'm looking for. So right now, yeah, I do see a couple day trades that are they are trying for sure. That's honestly piquing my interest. Sorry, but yeah, let's see. I do want to see how the end of the day swings can go. Maybe I'll try a starter if we can get something nice, but we'll just have to see. Honestly, it looks so good. Like, if this is like, especially in the more, obviously, we had those calls, ended up eating beautifully on that, but we are holding under this call space area. Could have took some sells right there, but we'll have to see. So what? 40 minutes before market closes. Do I want to try it? I do, but I'm gonna just relax. We had a good, day for the day trades. Now I'm just gonna wait for the swings end of day. Tesla also looked good, so they look very, very tempting for sure. So yeah, both of these look tempting. I do want to see where a couple other ones are. RCO doesn't look too bad. Let's take a look at a couple cons. So like, if we have a play, if I call it a play inside the Discord, we wait for those boxes to break, and then we get into those trades. So if we're in those boxes, if we're in the area of consolidation, I just wait. So yeah, we just wait for these entries and see if we can potentially get in them. Bro, I just made like 1.2K. Dude, fire, man. Yeah, keep up the great work, bro. Fire, man. So yeah, we'll have to see how that plays out. Looks really good. I do want to look at a couple other trades. What? Apple too as well. Dang it, Apple ended up going pretty wild there. I am also seeing that we do have a little bit more empty space below us, so this could end up getting tapped into. What I can also see is we have another little box there that doesn't look bad. So if we can, so yeah, honestly, I feel like we'll finish this move overnight. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any trade, so please do your own research. Personally, I do like this, which looks really good. FNMA keeps charging. Okay, yeah, we'll take a look there. So yeah, there is a lot of empty space under us that, looks really, really good. So yeah, we'll have to see. How does SMCI look to the upside? Personally, I would love to see if we can, get under that 235 area. If I end up trying this, it'll be more of a lotto for me. Alright, so, okay, that is what I'm seeing there. We'll keep on going. SMCI. Actually, I do want to keep up the keys really quickly. So, SMCI, let's take a look. So, what, to the upside? Alright, so, I think I do have this downside here, so I personally have this downside, and you know I'm ready for it. So that honestly looks good. But I will say, upside though, this is what I'm seeing here. So let's see. Let me look at a 4 hour. Okay, yeah, I like this 4 hour. So let's just pretend we didn't see this box. Let's pretend we didn't see this downside movement here either. What I like, you know, what looks good to me at least, is this. So yeah, as of right now, yeah, I do see the downside, which looks good. I'm also seeing that we do have empty space here, which honestly isn't bad at all. So yeah, nice top wall there, nice bottom wall here. We somehow can get a nice break above our top wall. We do have empty space up to this green candle, which honestly looks good. So yeah, both ways, I feel like we're still in consolidation. But yeah, if we end up getting this break above this top wall, we do have that empty space that looks honestly. So yeah, we'll see how that plays out. All right. Okay, so that is on SMCI. So yeah, I would wait for that nice little break if we can get above it. Honestly looks really, really good. So that is on there. So on SMCI. And yeah, all the trades are going to look exactly alike. I get it. Yeah, if we end up, you know, dumping. So 1 second. So yeah, if we end up, getting this nice little dump here. And we can close under these, like, wicks. We do have that empty space, which honestly looks really good. So that is on SMCI. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. Have a lot of work to do inside the VIP Discord. Getting ready for the end of the day swings, of course, as usual. So yeah, if you do want to, you know, join the Discord, if you want to be a part of the team, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat. Honestly, if you're new, see, you know, have the free chat you like. You can see the VIP Discord is here as well. But yes, thank you all so much for tuning back in. I will either catch you inside of the Discord or my next live stream tomorrow. Have a blessed one, guys. Link is in the bio for the Discord. If you don't want to join, see you on the next live stream. Have a blessed one, guys. See you all soon. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you all.